Hi guys. So, I know some of you wanted to see how a spring bouquet that looks organic was made. So I wanted to make one for you guys today. So what we're going to do is you're going to get a normal good base here. And then you're going to start with your greenery. So if you put your greenery in, it kind of creates this space filler for all your flowers to go into. So that's what we're going to do here. Okay, and then I have carnations, 2 types of ranunculus, and tulips, and a little bit of wax flower as well. So I'm going to start with a little bit of each and then fill in with whatever I have left over. These are also super cool. They're white on the inside and pink and purple on the outside, so it's pretty cool. So you're just going to kind of tuck them in there wherever you can. And they'll all just kind of like fall. They all have like these soft stems, so they kind of get this like organic feel anyways when you put them in. So they're really fun, and I've just started really loving working with them. So they're quite cool actually, to kind of see how they do. And Han loves flowers. So he likes to try to steal anything I can get from us. He wants to eat them. If you can see Han, this is Han Solo down here. He's just chilling. He is my partner in any floral design. So if I'm making you flowers for your wedding, just know Han Solo put his little heart and soul into it with me. So he's pretty cute. So you can kind of see already it's kind of shaping into its own little thing here. So some of these like to stand up nice and straight, so I'll put those kind of in the middle once I'm done here. And these ones that kind of curve will go out on the outsides. And same thing with the tulips. These kind of, some of them like to bell out. And some of them like to stand straight up, so it's kind of whatever you're feeling, whatever the flowers are doing. I just like to listen to my flowers, honestly. So when I do bouquets and stuff and styled shoots or weddings, I just really let the flowers speak to me. So I pick a color palette, but I don't necessarily pick flower types. If you really want something in your bouquet, I will probably be able to find it, but I really like to just have this like organic feel of just going with the flow of finding whatever's available, because it's more fun that way. And they're in season, so they're, you know, easier to get a hang of and cheaper for you, really. So if you want something that's specialty, it may not be in season, and it could be quite expensive on your part for your wedding, and why not? Not to say you can't do that, because I mean, you can always get awesome flowers, but in some of it, even when it is in season, it's still expensive. Like lilac is in season, but it's quite pricey no matter what, really. So, okay, so I've got flowers in there. I've got carnations to fill, so carnations are nice and sturdy, so I like to just fill with them, and just so the top doesn't look too, I don't know, bunched up, I guess. Once all these other ones are in there, you kind of got to be careful when you are putting these in so they don't break. So I like to take these little ones and put them on the outsides. So these will fill in. Some of these are a little sad. And some are just buds, which is nice too. So I kind of try to get, I mean, sometimes I like if I'm doing just a styled shoot or something, I like to get flowers that are ready to, that are bloomed and ready to go. Where you going, hon? Taking that flower stem with you? Look like a little farmer. But I like to also get, you know, nice tight flowers that aren't totally bloomed, but that will be ready on the day of. This one's got a little sadness to it. We're gonna take that guy out. This flower up here is really pretty. It's like purple on the outside and completely white inside. It's really, really cool. I'll show you it in a second. Alrighty. I'm just gonna use all of it because why not, you know? Might as well. So if you have like a spring party or something fun happening this spring, you know, I know spring's almost over, at least here in Arizona, it's kind of like getting warm. But if you're doing something fun and you're gonna create your own based off of our little video, I'd love to see what you've created. So send me your pictures of it. You can always send me emails at honeyandshaw.com. I mean, it's really fun to see people grow, and I love to see when my brides are really excited about something they've created and they send me pictures of it. It's so much fun to see that. I like this one because it's curvy. We're gonna stick that in here somewhere and let that kind of hang out there. It's cute. This one is too. This one's fun. So, and this guy's pretty cute too, so we're gonna stick him right here in the middle and just let him hang out and fill in those gaps. And then I'm gonna take my wax flower last and fill in whatever else I haven't already filled in with wax flower. I like wax flower because it smells really pretty, but it's also really like thin and easy to just kind of plug in once you're done with something. So it's kind of nice to use. I finally have a nice filming space to use in my house. I'm loving the light in our new pretty living room. It's so nice. So, okay, so there's that. So from, it's kind of the back side of it, but you kind of see it's kind of just wild and fun and funky, and yeah, that's it.